In this video, we're going to model a low poly book in Blender, and this is a great beginner project. If you pick up some really useful modeling fundamentals from this video, you're going to be able to do all kinds of cool stuff. If you want to follow along step by step, all you have to do is click on the link down below in the description. You can grab my free starter project. It already has the materials and the textures and everything, so you can focus on learning. You know what I mean? All right, here's what we're going to do. We're going to take this cube here, and we're going to turn it into a book. So I'm going to hit Tab on the keyboard to go into edit mode. And first of all, let's make this roughly book shaped. I'm going to scale this on the Y-axis so that it's kind of skinnier like this, and then scale it on the Z-axis so it's nice and tall. Yeah, that's kind of a book. And then we're going to do something really simple here. We're going to grab these three faces right here, and then hit I for inset. I for inset like this, and just bring this in kind of the width of the cover. See how it kind of makes this cover around here? Good. And from this point, you could either just kind of colorize this differently if you want to, or if you want it just a little bit more detail, you can hold Shift and grab all of these, and then hit Alt-E for extrude faces along normals like this. Click that, and then push that in a little bit. And now we have even a little bit of dimension there. And so we have the pages and then the hardcover kind of around it. Isn't that great? And yeah, I mean, you could pretty much call this done here if you want to. You could also, let's just grab the outsides here and let's bevel this a little bit. I think I'm also going to, let's also grab these edges. I'll hit 2 on the keyboard and Shift and grab these edges here. Yeah, these right here. Good. And then let's bevel these. Do a little selective bevel here. Control B, and then I'll push this out a little bit and just add a little bevel. Yes, that looks good. All right, let's colorize this. Now, in the starter project that you downloaded, there should be a material here. If you go to the materials down here on this little red circle, click on this here and go to main material. That's going to colorize this book in this crazy way. But what we're going to do is we're going to go over to UV editing. And what we're going to do is take these faces and we're going to scale them down and have them occupy just one little color here. So I'll hit A to grab all of the faces, and I'll actually go to UVs here. And well, let's look at this like on the X-axis maybe. Doesn't really matter. UV, project from view, just so that we have everything kind of lined up. And over here in the UV editor, I'm going to scale this down, S for scale, and I can pick whatever color I want this book to be. So let's kind of make it a dark red. So G, I'll grab this and kind of put this over here. I'll scale it down a little bit. Let's just kind of be in the dark red region. Yes. Yeah, this kind of dark red book. I like that. And let's do that. And what's cool about this is it's a little bit brighter at the top than the bottom. And so we have a little bit of a gradient there, which is kind of fun. And I think what we'll do is we'll grab the pages. Let's hit 3 on the keyboard, grab these pages, and let's G grab these and put these like, I don't know, maybe up here. Let's scale those way down. Put those way up here, like really bright yellow. You could also do like bright brown, sure. And it kind of gives you an off-white, and there we have a book. That's really cool. All right, let's scale this down a little bit, bring it up to be right on the floor there. And we're gonna go over here to this render stuff. And if you don't see these little options here, you can click on this filter and make sure that the little whatever this is called, screen thing is there. You can click on that screen for the render stuff, and this will bring up our little studio setup that we have to render stuff. And let's look through the camera by clicking this button here. And then we'll grab this book and then RZ to rotate this book. There we go. Scale it up a little bit. Yes, something like that. Maybe just a little more. GZ, bring this up so it's sitting on the ground. Very good. Very good. Yes. Okay. Let's do that. and we'll render this. So render image. That's a nice looking book, baby. Pretty easy to do, right? So hey, if you want to learn more about modeling in Blender, guess what? I have a Blender 101 course that is available. There's a link in the description below. Teaches you the basics of modeling, goes a little bit deeper into the concepts that I somewhat glossed over in this video. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope this has been fun for you. And yeah, I'll leave a little link there too if you want. Okay? Bye!